Namaste and welcome. This is your invitation video for starting your 2026 with us. 30 days of January series is something that we do as a ritual where you show up on the mat for 30 days for absolutely free. The practice is going to be 10 to 15 minutes long. It's a complete beginner friendly practice or for someone who's been trying to get consistent. The first week from my side is a small challenge for you guys, and then you will see yourself getting comfortable after the first week. I promise if you show up regularly, you will see the magic happening and you'll give what you actually deserve for yourself. If this is something that you feel you want to get started with, I will suggest invite a friend along with you and tag them along and do this journey together. Have that accountability buddy. I hope to see you on January 1st. Namaste.